Hello brilliant minds, you're welcome to another class with Mr. Olukorede. Now let's look at this problem. Given t minus 1 over t equals to 4, find t raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. So how do we go about this? Now I need to study the pattern of the question. So I will begin by writing t minus 1 over t raised to the power of 2. Now let me get expression for this first. So if I expand this, I'm going to have t raised to the power of 2 minus 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 2. So you can confirm that. So you have t minus 1 over t raised to the power of 2 times, that's the same thing as t minus 1 over t. So when you expand this, now t times t, you have t squared. Now t times negative 1 over t, that gives you negative 1. Now t 1 over t times t, that's negative 1. And negative 1 over t times negative 1 over t, that's plus 1 over t squared. Okay, that's the same thing as what we have there. Okay, so now let's transpose these two. So we have t minus 1 over t raised to the power of 2 plus 2 equals to t squared plus 1 over t squared. Okay, so now you have expression for this, that's 4. So I have 4 squared plus 2 equals to t squared plus 1 over t squared. Okay, this 16 plus 2, okay, equals to t squared plus 1 over t squared. Okay, when you add this together, what do you have? You have 18 equals to t squared plus 1 over t squared. Okay, now this is where I'm going to. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to have now t raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 2. Raised to the power of 2. So I will expand this. So when you expand, you have t raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. Okay, now you can confirm that. We have t raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 2 times t raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 2. So when you expand now, t raised to the power of 2 times t raised to the power of 2, that gives you t raised to the power of 4. Now t raised to the power of 2 times 1 over t raised to the power of 2. So t raised to the power of 2 cancel t squared, so you have 1. So that's plus 1. The same thing also applies to this. This multiplies this. So t squared cancel t squared. You have plus 1. Now 1 over t squared times 1 over t squared, that gives you 1 over t raised to the power of 4. So this gives you 2. And that's the same thing as what we have there. Okay, all right, so now let's transpose 2. So when you transpose 2, you have t raised to the power of 2 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 equals to t raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. Okay, now this, we are cutting this to be what? To be 18. So let's plug in 18 here. We have 18 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 equals to t raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. Now this is going to give you what? 324 minus 2 equals to t raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. Now when you subtract, you have 322 equals to t raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over t raised to the power of 4. So, and that is the answer to the problem. I hope you understand that. All right, so if you want to join our online classes, so you can connect with this number +234 8039179465. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.